Okay, toe taps. And if it's too much, maybe keep it here. But if you want to make it harder, add a knee lift. If you want to make it even harder, maybe reach the arms up. So I'm making my arms a bit bigger now, just lifting them up. If that doesn't feel right, you're going to do what feels right for you. And change. Now, if you're finding standing on one leg for that a little bit too much, your arms feel right, I'm bringing mine up in front nice and strongly. Challenge your balance and work your heart a little bit harder. And this is optional. Instead of that toe tap, take it to a knee lift. And I'm going to add some windscreen wiper arms. Again, you have a choice. You can make it big. You can make it really tiny. Last time, make it smaller. Start to bring your heart rate down. Make it smaller.